Okay, so the next servo is going to go in oriented this way. Needs to be down on this side. So this one you need one with, well, I guess you don't really necessarily need that. And actually that might be too thick. Oh, that'll fit okay. And you do want them to be even, so they need to both be the same thickness. So grab this one here. The divot goes towards the inside like that, and we're going with the blocks with this size and push this. So it needs to go all the way down. That push together. I just think this is going to work a lot better with without the plastic block on the back side of there. And it's also good because now it's the rubber on the servo, which is, you know, putting the servo in contact with the frame, so you have, you know, the buffer of the rubber to help dampen out some of that vibration. Once I get this one installed, I'm gonna have to cut it off because I need to be getting ready for work, and I will try to follow up tomorrow. That one's pretty good. Let's see if these holes are lined up. That should push in. Okay, that's going through. I want to check the other servo tray that I did yesterday. I'm going to have to disassemble it anyway to put those metal eyelets in there. And putting this one through. Okay. Push that back through again. Alright, that's not going through. Okay, got it that time. This was not getting tight, so that block on the other side is apparently stripped out for the size of these screws. So I'm going to have to cut it off here, but this is how it's going to be. This one would be placed over on the other side like this, and tomorrow I have to pull these out and replace that block, because apparently that block is stripped. The only bad thing about plastic can strip pretty easily, so that's it for now, and then tomorrow I'll pick up where I left off.